What's going on, guys? It's Sean and
Shadeen.
back with another video.
Yeah.
And today, Shadeen is going to do 5 things she's learned about Americans. You guys been waiting on that one.
If you guys love me, send me a gift card. Panera Bread out.
She loves Panera. Well, I did my 5 things so I learned about Jamaicans, and now she's doing 5 things she's learned about Americans. We eventually get a sponsor.
I need a gift card,
by
people.
Panera. I'll laugh my butt off.
Thank you.
All
All right, number 1. So, hopefully I can find some beautiful things to speak about.
Ooh.
Because I literally am speaking from the top of my head. Alright. This one is easy. I think everybody knows this.
Okay.
One thing about Americans and being in America is that money is king. Yeah, money is king.
True.
And why I say that is that you can do one song and
Cause I'm an island boy and I've been trying to make
millionaire from one song. You can invent this eraser right here and be a millionaire. You can work hard and see your money and be a millionaire.
Yeah, if you're investing correctly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's plenty of opportunity to do what you love and become successful from it and to make money from it. There's money to be made everywhere.
True.
And it's easy. If you have $1 million product, guarantee you'll become a millionaire because they pay for stuff
That's useful for the public.
that is useful for the public,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. You gotta put hard work behind it too.
Yeah. Right?
Mhm.
That's 1. Number 2. Where unlike our little dots in the Caribbean Sea, the United States of America is not united at all. I'm not gonna go wide. I'm gonna start small.
Mhm.
You don't know your neighbors.
Yeah.
You don't know your neighbors.
True.
You don't know if your neighbors are Latinos, black, white, Europeans, Africans. Nothing. You just see cars in the parking lot. You hear knives next door.
Yeah.
That's it. Even the family, your family are in different states,
Different cities.
different city.
Yeah.
You call schedule calls once a month, twice a month, on weekends. Yeah.
We gotta do better.
I'll tell you this though. This one time when I was in New York visiting my uncle, this is a house. What do you call those places? Suburb? So in the suburb?
Mhm.
Trust me, I didn't know that anybody was home. You know how I know people are home? The ice cream house. And when I came outside, everybody was outside. I'm like,
You didn't even know they was home.
I didn't know people live here. Nothing. The ice cream man pulled those people outside their house.
Yeah, they do. That one ice cream truck gathers everybody in the neighborhood.
I'm like, they're in, they're out, in, out, in, out. You don't know your neighbors, but as soon as the ice cream man,
Everybody's
you see
there.
everybody outside.
Yeah. That's true.
Yeah, so that's number 2. For the United States, y'all not union at all.
United, yeah.
Not united.
Alright.
Number 2, right? You guys
Number 3.
love, number 3. You guys are loving. You guys love love. Yes. Even though you're not united, you show love, you give love. And when you get love, you keep love.
Yeah.
That's the beautiful thing about Americans. Right? If they love you, unlike us, if we have a boyfriend or girlfriend and you want to show that you love you, buy them KFC. Right here, they tell you day in, day out, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Yeah.
If Sean called me, I can't hang up the phone and be like, okay, bye. I gotta say, I love you, babe. If I don't say I love you, babe, he call right back. I just say I love you, Renee, Shadeen. Hello. I have to say I love you, right? If I speak to his mom, his dad, okay, love you, bye. Outside, oh, you look so beautiful. You look so love you, bye. They just use the word love. They show love. Yeah.
That's true.
Yes,
Oh,
and
you
why
start
are
saying
you laughing?
since you been with me, you start saying a
Yeah,
lot
I have
more.
to say I love you all the time. We would be like, yo, man, Maria, to your man.
Oh, man.
Bye. No. Love you. Goodbye. Yeah, I
You
love
see the movies when how we express
That's
ourselves.
exactly how they be like. They not hanging the phone up without saying, I love you.
Yeah.
Number 4. Just coming off the top of my head, so.
Go ahead. Excuse me.
Number 4. Oh, I don't know how to say it. How do you say this in English? American English. They are very sensitive. Very sensitive. In Jamaica, sometimes we show a little face and we back answer. If you haven't seen someone or your friend or somebody, you greet them. How we greet them? Like, oh man, you put on a pound. Oh, you look so fat. You look good. If you approach them like that, how do you mean? I just went to the gym. I'm not fat. They're very sensitive, so we gotta be careful. We gotta be careful of the adjectives that we use. We in Jamaica, we free. Your head is big, your finger big, your bottom round. This how we describe each other in Jamaica. Do it here. If you go in the workplace, oh, HR calling you up, it's a lawsuit. You're doing in a relationship. Why you mean my head's big, baby? Oh no, that. They very, very sensitive.
I'm not like that.
You're not him?
I look. I used to be, and then I had to understand how you were. You just say exactly what's going on.
We just say just how we are in Jamaica.
Yeah, I
if
learned
you
that.
in Jamaica, if you say something sensitive that we curse you out, one, or we laugh.
Yeah. We do the same here. Just
they're very serious. You say
90%
something,
of the
they
time.
take you to HR. They will be like, babe, we gotta talk. You said something about me the other day I didn't like. Very sensitive. So you gotta be careful of some of the adjectives that you use around them. Like, I get in trouble a lot, especially with Sean, because I'll be like, oh, that's cute, that's funny. But in his head, not cute, not funny at all.
I got it better. It just, at first, when we started talking, you said certain things, I'm like, I didn't know where it was coming from.
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes, what I'm used to, people say things out of hurt, trying to hurt me or something like that.
No, we don't say it out of hurt.
I know.
We
I
don't
understand
say
that
it. We just like, hey, little boy, your head is bigger. If you look good, we say you look good. If you don't look good, we tell you don't look good. But we put a little spice on it. Yeah. But over here,
You can say that to friends and family.
Nah,
You can't go on these streets.
Baby, we friends. We family. You still
Yeah, I'm not as sensitive as some people on the streets. You go like, oh, girl, you look fat. That's fighting word.
That's how we greet each other.
You have to call me from the hospital. Oh, what's wrong? How did you end up in the emergency room? I called the girl fat she was.
No, y'all. Very sensitive. So bear in mind, if you're greeting an American, just calm down on the adjective. Just say, hey, nice to meet you. One syllable. You're beautiful. Nobody says, "Oh, you're macaroni. You look good." Mm-mm. No, they very sensitive, and they will cry too. So don't do it. All right, number 5.
All right.
Mm.
We was on number 4 so long. I thought it was number 5. She's expressing how sensitive we are, guys and gals, the ladies and gents.
All right, number 5.
I think I already know it.
You already know number 5.
I think so.
Tell me.
No, you gotta tell me. No,
Tell
I'll tell you if I think.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. All right. So in Jamaica, if you go back to our video, we talk about
Watch the video.
learning how to cook, and we love to cook. I've yet to eat a home cooked meal over here.
Oh no! Wait a minute. Yes, you have.
Yeah, spaghetti and meatball and ground don't count.
No.
Y'all love y'all fast food. Y'all know Chick-fil-A, KFC, McDonald's, Taco Bell. Y'all,
It's not healthy, but you understand why.
Taco Tuesday. This Wednesday in Jamaica, rice and peas on Sunday. Monday, that's rice and peas again. Tuesday, you have yam, banana, dumpling, sausage, something. Wednesday, soup. Thursday, another ground provision. Friday, you go you jerk chicken. Saturday, soup, and repeat. No. Taco Bell on Tuesday. Wendy's on Wednesdays. Y'all love it. Going out to eat. Fast food. Dining, drive-through. Dining, drive-through. Dining, drive-through.
It's not healthy at all.
It's not healthy.
Expensive.
And you will just go to the supermarket, buy $200 worth of groceries. Okay, fast food, KFC. Like literally, the other day we went to Myers, and KFC was around the corner. We wanted to go to KFC.
And the only reason why I did not get my food because the girl did not understand what she was doing at the register, so I just took off. I said, "We got groceries. I need to go home." I don't know where the habit comes from.
Food.
I don't know where that habit comes from, but I've gotten better since I met you.
Yes.
Well, I guess I had no choice. Oh man, so that's number 5?
That's number 5.
Man, we need to do better.
Yeah.
Well, at least we're loving money. Money's good. You need money. Not to make you happy, but to use.
Yeah.
Yeah. Loving, yeah, that's good. We need to be more united.
Yeah. Back.
But all right, that was 5. I know you guys been waiting on this video.
He's been waiting on this because I've been like, I don't want to say all bad things, babe.
That's not all bad things. That's things you need to work on.
Okay, so.
All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this
5
video.
things that I've learned.
Yeah, well, hopefully you can learn some better things about us.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's going to be a lot more of a category later on. But let's end this video. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it if you find it useful. And it helps us with the YouTube algorithm if you like it. So go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're coming back and watch some of our videos and haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. They help us out, help us grow this channel. And until next time, peace.